Welcome to ePlatform. In this quick video, you'll see how admins can use the analytics and reports tools to track borrowing, view student progress, and understand how your digital library is being used. Start by logging into your admin page, then click View Analytics and Reports to open your main dashboard. The Analytics overview shows your loans and reserves each month, as well as a breakdown of usage by device type. You can view your loans over the last 12 months, and the color coding illustrates which parts of your collection are most popular. You can use the filters to adjust your view and compare to the last period from the previous year. Under Titles, you can view which books are being borrowed the most. Use filters to see the top titles by category or format, and also see the most borrowed categories. Under Patrons, you'll find data on your most active students and staff and check what's popular with different year levels. And this will help you celebrate your best readers and highlight students who might need a little extra support to get started. You could invite your top patrons to become ePlatform ambassadors, and they could run weekly lunchtime sessions in the library for their peers, showcasing all the features and tools, promote new titles, and even start an ebook club. To download reports, click Advanced Reports. Here you can download loan reports, patron lists, and other data to help you plan future purchases and track engagement. And that's it. Use analytics and reports to monitor the reading trends in your school. You can share the results with your team and help your library flourish.